The Gyson Corporation, international leader in flexible finishing systems, presents the Gyson Automatic Investment Removal System, a new impressive addition to the Gyson family of flexible finishing systems. The unique features of this equipment ensure the complete removal of the ceramic shell material and provide a finished part surface free of oxides and other contaminants, which can interfere with inspection or other downstream processes. This is accomplished with a dry blast method and eliminates the need for secondary blast finishing, as is often required with wet blast processes. The precise direction of the media stream and use of a specifically designed blast media removes 100% of the shell material without damage to delicate part areas. With this machine, the whole system becomes part of the in-plant process. No operators are needed. The automatic investment removal system is an automatic, highly sophisticated system. A programmable controller, such as an Allen Bradley, controls all machine functions. This allows either fully automatic or manual operation. The control panel has a power meter and time cycle indicators for monitoring. The pick-and-place device is a cam-actuated electromechanical indexer. It uses a cam follower with trapped cam indexing for positive positioning of a part. The parts are placed on spindles, which are indexed with the same type of cam indexer for complete accuracy and compatibility. Parts are fed to the machine by a conveyor. Optical sensors at the load station show if there is a part in position, so the program can keep cycling. The grippers have sensors which know when a part is actually being held. If there were no parts present, it would signal a fault and stop indexing until a part were available. The pick-and-place device takes a part from the in-feed conveyor, indexes, and places it on the spindle. The spindle fixture has a hardened steel pin controlled by a pneumatic cylinder which holds it down in the fixture. These parts are turbine wheels in an investment casting plant, but the fixtures can be designed for a range of parts of different sizes. They also allow maximum exposure of the part for blast finishing, which in this case is the removal of ceramic investment. After loading, the part indexes into the first chamber. Guillotine doors operated by pneumatic cylinders open and close automatically. As the table indexes a part into the blast cabinet, it brings out a finished part which is unloaded by the pick-and-place unit and discharged automatically to another conveyor. The part goes into an isolation chamber through the left door. With its brushes and rubber curtains, the chamber blocks the media blast area from the outside, prevents media and dust from escaping, reduces noise, and acts as a staging area. An isolation chamber at the blast cabin exit on the right will airwash dust and media off the part. Maximum abrasion protection is found throughout the cabinet. The table is covered with urethane. Hanging rubber curtains protect the windows. Walls are bonded with neoprene rubber. Blast gun nozzles are boron carbide. The spindle has a urethane cover. Inside the cabinet are two blast stations. The first has one fixed gun. The second has two guns connected to a cam-type oscillating mechanism, which moves the guns up and down over the part. The blast guns are connected to universal brackets, which allow movement in all directions. Each gun has its own solenoid to facilitate automatically sequencing on and off, depending on the type of part to be blasted. There are also individual air pressure controls for each gun. Timers are provided to turn off the gun during index cycles to conserve valuable plant air. Rubber boots protect the moving joints from abrasion. The spindle is designed so the drive area is far away from the part being blasted and the abrasive media stream. The machine is designed to blast the ceramic shell material off of the part, but the ceramic would contaminate the blast media, which could damage the part if recirculated to the blast guns. Gyson's superior machine has a unique reclamation system which solves the problem and saves time and money. This is the heart of the automatic investment removal system. its use of dry blasting to clean the ceramic from the part, and the meticulous removal of contaminants from the media while recycling the media for reuse. The screen on the bottom of the cabinet keeps large chunks of ceramic out of the media system. Under the screen, the arms of a plow table move the spent abrasive to the back of the cabinet, down through a chute to the bottom of the bucket elevator. There is a rotating sieve which takes out the heavy ceramic contaminants and lets the smaller particles fall through to the elevator. At the bottom of the bucket elevator, cast iron buckets on a multiple ply belt scoop up the media and ceramic and carry it to the top, where it is discharged over an air wash separator. The separator sends the fine particles to the cyclone or to a scrap drum below. The good media and oversized particles from the separator flow into the top of the vibrating screen classifier. The vibrating screen classifier has two 24-inch stainless steel screen decks, which are available in various mesh sizes for different media and are easy to replace. Vibration sifts the media and ceramic. The top screen removes the oversized particles, which discharge to a 55-gallon waste drum. The particles which fall through and are retained on the second screen are good media and are discharged right to the pressure pot, a continuous feed dual chamber vessel with 8 cubic feet of capacity for media retention. The two chambers allow it to blast continuously without having to batch change or manually recharge the vessel to keep up. The dust that falls through the second screen is sent left to the scrap drum. From the pressure pot, the used media is sent back to the blast system to start its cycle once again. Metering valves with high feed rate accuracy are at the bottom of the media delivery system. The cyclone has a replaceable urethane-lined entry elbow for abrasion protection and a long cone for better retention and separation of dust. It picks up airborne dust from the cabinet through the black hose on the right. The blue hose on the left creates the vacuum for the air wash separator. All collected dust in the cyclone is directed to the dust collector. The system C2400W continuous clean reverse jet pulse dust collector has 6 flame retardant paper cartridges. An air to fabric area ratio of 2:1 is maintained for maximum efficiency of dust removal. On top is a manifold with 6 electric solenoids operated by the programmable controller and valves for directing purge air to each cartridge. The solenoids are sequenced so that one cartridge is pulsed at a time until a proper preset pressure limit is reached. The cartridges are cleaned continuously without shutting down the system and without operator monitoring. There's also a gauge provided as a visual aid and manual backup to the automatic differential switch. The Gyson Automatic Investment Removal System. 100% removal of ceramic shell material without secondary finishing required. No damage to the parts. Automatic loading and unloading. A highly sophisticated media reclamation system which removes damaging ceramic contaminants from the media stream. Special fixturing to allow maximum exposure of the part for blast finishing. Accurate direction of the blast stream and precise control of media flow rates. Superior abrasion protection. Gyson Corporation has a fully staffed sample test and demonstration facility, and we encourage you to send your parts for a free demonstration of our capabilities. The Gyson Automatic Investment Removal System, an automatic, highly advanced, versatile, cost-effective system. Another member of the outstanding family of Gyson flexible finishing machines. From Gyson, international leader in blast finishing systems.